NEMA 1050 outlets are an older connection, but you can still see them being used for a wide variety of appliances like old dryers, old cooking ranges, older welders, and level 2 EV charging. They are rated for up to 50 amps at 250 volts non-grounded, and can step down to regular 125 volts with the use of our 1050Y 520-036 adapter, as well as the 1050Y CB520 adapter. If you use an adapter like RV 1050 1450-018, which comes with the ground wire, you can then use the 1050 outlet to power your RV.